Hey YouTube, Kyle here with another really quick product review. What we have here is the front drive shaft used on most modern 4MATIC vehicles. So like your 221 S-Classes, all of your C-Class 4MATIC 204 models, newer 212 E-Class, GLK, etc. Front drive shaft, unfortunately, is a common failure point on these vehicles. Normally manifests itself as like a squeaking on takeoff, clunking when you come on and off the throttle. Long story short, whenever you're under the vehicle, you're going to want to inspect your engine mounts and transmission mounts, make sure they haven't collapsed. You're going to want to inspect your U-joints on your drive shaft, make sure you don't have like that red dust that you see sometimes, make sure there isn't excess play, because those are the first signs of a front drive shaft failure. If it does fail, sometimes it can fail catastrophically and hit things that are nearby, including the case of the transmission, and you really don't want that to happen. We always recommend replacing the front drive shaft with an OE part. If it's your first time doing the job, budget up to a half day to do so. If you're pretty familiar with the vehicle, you can probably get away with doing it in about 3 hours. So there really is no replacement interval for the front drive shaft. The most important thing is during your regular maintenance that you inspect this guy. You want to inspect it on the transmission side where it's coming out of the transfer case, as well as where it's going into the front differential. Bottom line is you just don't want this guy to fail on you. So at the first failure signs, we recommend replacing it with the OE part that we offer. Well, this has been another really quick product review. If you like what you've seen today, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.